train accident in New York City can occur in a variety of ways. A train can come off the rails. The train operator may not stop the train in time on the platforms, crashing into a guard in the station, which happened actually in Brooklyn earlier this year. There are a variety of train accidents. Someone walking to a train could trip on a staircase, could trip getting in or out of the train. Furthermore, a train can collide either with a pedestrian, with a bicyclist, with another train, with an automobile. So trains present a variety of different circumstances. And in addition, there are a lot of different types of trains in New York. There's the Amtrak, the Metro North, there's the New York City public subway system with a multitude of different trains intersecting all over the 5 boroughs of New York City. If you've been injured in any type of accident, give us a call. We'd love to sit down with you and discuss the case. And there's never a legal fee until we win maximum compensation for you.